Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your headset audio doesn't work when connected to G7 controller. So basically what you'll need to do is take your controller and check if this plugged in correctly. So check the headset plug and just push it a little bit harder and check if this connected right. After that, if that doesn't work, what you can do is basically holding the menu button plus the Xbox logo button at the same time for the 5 seconds. What this will do, this function will do a hard reset for your controller, and it will basically be easier to actually detect your headset. And the last solution what you can do is basically when you plug your headset, just hold on M and basically hold on plus icon. This will make your master volume louder. And if you want to check the game volume, just press on M and this little controller icon. This will make your game volume louder, and if you go for the person, this will make your chat volume louder. So basically, if you're playing the game alone, just hold on M plus controller and this should work. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.